principal ka St. Edmunds Higher Secondary School ula penpaw ya ka Kmen ka bakraw haba ka school kalayo ban khur hadu artliki kerdan haka top 10 haka Hsslc science stream balai telipan haka commerce stream. U principal uangru ba mentaka kenti ka school kalala ban le bah haka ni ka exam ladaya nujor bat ki snem ki baladem. Haba yo banekran bat ki katu ka ningut ki Samla puli jong ka school ki ba 1 haka top 10 kila aya ka jingero ya ki no hikai ki bala kershan ya ki ban poi shadu ka ka kerdan.
Today is a very special day for us in St. Edmunds Higher Secondary School because some of our students have made us very proud. They have rewarded us with good results. They are now rank holders, both in commerce as well as science. I am familiar with all these students. I have interacted with them during the year, so I know them, some of them personally, and I feel very proud that they have reached this milestone in their life, that they are rank holders at a very young age. I am sure as they proceed with higher education, their further studies, they will work hard and bring a lot of rewards not only to themselves, to their family, and also to the institution. I would also like to thank all our teachers who have worked extremely hard in preparing these students, all students in fact. I deeply appreciate their hard work and commitment to St. Edmunds Higher Secondary School and to all our students. In fact, I am proud to say that we have a fantastic set of teachers in the school who work in a very dedicated way to bring the best out of these students. I thank you, the press, for giving us this time, coming and interviewing our teachers, our students, and also making time for me. Thank you.
I feel really happy and I feel really great about the fact that he has got secured fourth rank in the list, and it's not something that is unpredictable. We knew that Ryan would make it to the list. He's been always sincere and disciplined with his work, and when a student does, in the classroom only you can sense what a student is capable of, and we could sense Ryan's performance from day one itself. We are really happy.
Achievement, the biggest achievement as teachers. They mga bago who's part of this institute. We feel extremely proud today.
Jong.
Ni kum kinohikai tingi ju i ki potentials jong ki Khynnah. But ni ju share i kan ju i Khynnah. Amar ba kadang ka potential ni dan kam ban instruct bhai ki. We can now focus, we can now determine ba shisem. Te kata hingi le but ni Kmen hadu kata-kata na ba kisngap kita but kilong kum ye dena kita but ang kajang trash ton ju ki.
Ato pi Kmen ti try ki bukini o khasinews so.
Hawat kung ni kinohikai te ni tapi ki potentials yung kini Khynnah te ni la don make expectation na do D1 te kam long that hawat ni Kmen pala ni result ang ba kalong ru bang la yo ilu pa long bang la expect ya kini result na kini na ba kung mafi i gidi Khynnah i trace tang hadu rata, so it was very much expected and kalong ru kulan.
Science Ramatham, and I secured the fourth position in the Hsslc examination in the commerce stream.
So how do you feel after getting the fourth position in the commerce stream?
I am extremely happy as all my hard work, also my teachers, and they like the hard work they were fruitful. So yeah, and I thank God for everything, and my teachers, my parents, and also my friends for motivating me every time.
So will you tell us about your preparation? How was your preparation, and what were the difficulties that you faced during the preparations for this exam?
I had a routine, so I followed it. During the school days, I study for maximum around 3 hours if I get the time, and during the holidays, I'll be studying for around 5 to 6 hours.
So were there any difficulties that you had to face during those times, especially during the preparation?
Yeah, but my teachers were there to help me, so they helped me ease the difficulties. It's not that much.
So what are your plans after this?
I'll be pursuing my BCom and I'll be doing my CA after this.
Probably be doing BSc Honors Maths. That's it. And I did NEET also, but I don't think I'll make it this year, so I'll be attempting it again next year.
So do you have any kind of words of encouragement for the other youths?
Yes, so listen to your teachers. That's the most important, I would say. Most of the year, class 11, I didn't listen to my teachers. I did very badly. Class 12, I started listening. I did very well. So shout out to all my teachers, Miss Florence, Miss Stefisha, who's here, your brother as well. And also have friends who motivate you. If you have good friends, you will reach high places. So shout out to Sami Kongla, to Arki Bansan, all my friends. I'm Edward Polong Lamari from St. Edmunds School, Science stream, and I attained the 9th position in NEHU 2024.
So could you tell us how do you feel after achieving the 9th position?
I mean, I'm really happy. My teachers have always been telling me like I have the potential, so I'm happy that I lived up to that potential.
So could you explain to us about how was your preparation and how many hours did you spend studying? And apart from that, what were the difficulties that you were facing and how did you overcome all that?
So I studied around, during holidays it was 15 hours, and if it was during school days, I would try to get at the most 6 hours, or at least would be 3 hours. I would wake up very early in the morning, at least 3 o'clock. Then during school I would come early, 30 minutes to study in school. After that it was coaching, then I'll study there a little bit as well. And difficulties I faced was mobile, number one. Besides that, honestly, nothing else. It's just mobile. Watching YouTube and everything. Then I would say the preparation was simple but difficult. All you need to do is listen to your teachers and study. Even if it's a little bit every day, try to do it every day and pray to God.
What?
Kuteng Gordon Khubor Nangri, the nang pass na science stream ni NEHU tengah yok ke second position, the yok distinction haborok subjects.
Tipila ambatai kin.
Tengah so long Kmen bhai kata but nikong ek kuat I ngu show you brain nikong ek bo. Klam kajing rap ju but klam kajing sai ju ngam try ngan position ni bang point ta. But aja Khubor I ngu so Kmen ba dan ini pa bala rap ni ba I min sim ha. Dan nikap mga hiyang samjanga. But aja Khubor ya kan ke institution ya kan ya borok kinang ikai kila support ba yang adu basdang hi but aja Khubor iki perlok nadang sidang hi la dan ningkat nga bala rap ni.
Kai gaji nadu box ki papi sedang gajing pulih hadu pi de kun exam kai gaji kemilenti ke jong pi
nadu basdang hi bala join ni class 11 ti nga dan hi gajing thumu ban penyo ni class 12 ban penyo desbit ban kong but ngaru ningkong hajung class 10 ru pass ya metric nga stang indiat hi ban poi halism jang ka top 20 ti nga miss no kumba 100 marks ai tambah 100 nga kham ai kata bakan kan stop yang ama ban kiu sha khamat ti nga dang trai stom shishu nang tu but kumtu but kini kisnam ba yarap kinong kai ban dang stom ti nga kadaw nga ban poi mata sini but kani determination jangar kla penlong yang bangan drive sha khamat mo bangan kiu sha thang bet tu sha khamat ti Haji Khubor kijing yarap jang kinong kai but i support jang ki mo ngala la ban poi ni bagi dan kat but Haji Khubor bagi yarap yang ada di badan income
nang ni semua pada bit kai gajing thumu bidan ban le pat
aku bandit jam ke engineering the computer science engineering mata ti mentang adang sidap kini GE means mentang adang prepare se kini ke advance ti kutu dari bangala ban pass ke advance mentang
yang gajing i kimi ke pahi di song pernah cibun ba ni ba kunjung mentang bawana kadang ke ba R ni top 10 jong ni science ti aku yang kau nak kalian juga tinggi aku beri kau siap dia try kan lagi berai ya kan ya bor berpala eu berpala menyelek ya kan exam apa ya kan ke second position ti kata ini aku beri itu ya kinong hikai kira tristom ai ke jing kai nang ta ju kumjuru ya kini ki tunggi no hikai ki ba sim tuition yu ni ai khubli langi kita ru ni kini hiu ki ba rakit khia la kanta ki ba ai man sim motivate yu nu ba position ni ka position second position
Khynnah.